In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life. We're bombarded with an endless stream of information, stimuli, and distractions, and it can be challenging to find peace amidst the chaos. But what if I told you that the key to finding serenity and sophistication is by embracing simplicity? A minimalist apartment with a few pieces of furniture and decorations. When we simplify our lives, we can eliminate distractions and reduce stress, allowing us to concentrate on what truly matters. Simplicity can also bring beauty and elegance into our lives. By stripping away excess, we can appreciate the subtle details and natural grace of the world around us. It's no surprise that simplicity has been a guiding principle for many of the world's greatest minds, from Leonardo da Vinci to Steve Jobs. Da Vinci famously said, "Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication." And Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple, was known for his devotion to minimalist design. These visionaries understood that simplicity is not a lack of complexity, but a thoughtful and intentional reduction of unnecessary elements. So, how can we embrace simplicity in our own lives? We can start by decluttering our physical space, eliminating possessions that no longer serve us. We can also unplug from technology and take time to be present in the moment. And we can appreciate the beauty of simplicity in all aspects of our lives, from our relationships to our daily routines. In a world that often feels overwhelming, simplicity can be the key to finding calm, beauty, and sophistication. The beauty of simplicity, why less is more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.